To start off making this head bust, I first got a load of aluminium foil and scrunched it down to make almost like a skeletal shape of the clown's head. And then I got the Super Sculpey out and sculpted it into the face that you see here. So sorry I haven't got the video of me doing that, but this was one of my first ones and I just wanted to kind of get it right first. I'll put patient number 13 video at the end for you to click on and watch the face building process if you want to. I made one of the eyeballs a little bit misty or milky because I thought it looked a little bit more menacing that way. Once I baked the Super Sculpey in my oven for around about 14 minutes, let it cool down, and then I went in with Panpastels. But before that I sprayed the head with Mr. Super Clear to give the pastels a little bit of something more to grip onto. I made his eye milky by spraying it with Mr. Super Clear, then dabbing on some white Panpastels, and then another layer of Mr. Super Clear, and then another layer of white Panpastels, and then another layer of Mr. Super Clear. The name Grimaldi was taken from Joseph Grimaldi, which was the earliest of the circus clowns who first appeared in England in 1805. Grimaldi's clown was affectionately called Joey, and he specialised in the classic physical tricks of tumbling, pratfalls and slapstick beatings. Although my clown doesn't resemble Grimaldi's clown by any means, because his is a bit too cute, I obviously did it my own way, my own spin on things. I personally think Panpastels are just amazing. I mean, look, just one little dab of the red and look at the colour payoff, it's just amazing. I've tried other pastels before, but there's just nothing that compares to these ones. They're a little bit more expensive, but I mean, it does go such a long way. I can imagine me having these for quite a few years. I'm just going in with some Derwent Inktense watercolour pencils around the eyes, and then a wet brush just to give it a little bit more deeper black. I'm using some clear gloss just to go and give the eyes a nice little bit of a juicy wet look and to go over that milky eyeball. This hat I just made using cardboard, which I rolled into this shape and then stuck on material and made a pom-pom out of wool. I absolutely love oldie, vintagey kind of clothes on any doll that I make. And here I'm just painting on blue and then wetting the paintbrush, saturating the paintbrush actually with water, and then giving it almost like a tie-dye effect, like a gradient. And here's a finished Grimaldi the clown.